Week. Yay! Alright, well we thought we'd share with you a couple of cool facts we learnt while doing the Pasifika Beats Cook Islands Māori album. And we're going to throw it over to our friends all the way in Auckland who are going to teach you some phrases in Cook Islands Māori. And then we're going to teach you the welcome song that we wrote. Alright, so fact number 1. Cook Islands Māori, the language, in the Cook Islands, they just call it Māori. But because we're here in New Zealand, you need to differentiate the two. Yeah, so it's Māori, Cook Islands Māori.
And the second fact is the Cook Islands is made up of about 15 different islands with a whole lot of different dialects. And our friend who translated for us for our album chose the Rarotongan dialect. So
Lots of different dialects. Alright, should we click our fingers?
yes.
We can do it at home as well. Ready? We're going to click our fingers after 3 and it's going to change over to our friend TeRito and Te Ariki. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1. Whoops.
Kia ora na koutou katoa. Hello everybody. Ko tōku ingo ko TeRito, ko te ia, tōku tamata māroa, ko Te Ariki. My name is TeRito and this is my son Te Ariki. It's Cook Island Language Week this week, so we've got a few phrases that we'd like to teach you to say in our language. The first one is hello, and it's kia orana. Kia orana is hello in Cook Island Māori. Would you like to have a go? Oh, well done. Very good. The next phrase is how are you? And we say pe ea koe. Pe ea koe is how are you? Pe ea koe. Would you like to have a go? Oh, very good. And that's our third phrase. Very good. We say mei taki maata. Mei taki maata. And that's how we answer how are you with very good. Mei taki maata. Your turn. Oh, well done. That's awesome. Well, we hope that you've enjoyed our little video on some phrases that you can say in Cook Island Language Week, our beautiful language in paradise. Mei taki maata. Now to say goodbye, we say ka kite, which means we'll see you again soon. Ka kite. Bye.
Yay!
Kia orana.
Kia orana again. Hey, how cool was that? Thank you TeRito and Te Ariki for teaching us how to say hello, kia orana, how are you, pe ea koe, and fine thanks, mei taki maata. Alright, so we're going to put it into a song, because that's what we do, we sing songs. So we're going to do our welcome song. Alright. Kia orana, kia orana, means hello, pe ea koe, means how are you, mei taki maata, means very well, thank you, it's time to learn te reo Māori kuki airari today. Alright, should we sing it again? Kia orana, means hello, pe ea koe, means how are you, mei taki maata, means very well, thank you, it's time to learn te reo Māori kuki airari today. It's time to learn Cook Islands Māori today. Yay! Hey, give those a go today. Go and find anybody and say kia orana, happy Cook Islands Language Week. And you'll find our albums in lots of different places. So you can play them all the time. Alright. Ka kite!
Ka kite.